looks much worse on camera.
You done it?
He doesn't it?
I was here last year when we had a close call like this.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was pretty crazy.
Around the back corner of the base, right?
Yeah.
There's a little mini touchdown.
Yup.
Yeah.
It was a lot darker too than it was like this.
You can see the 2 layers though.
Yep. And the calm forms.
Yeah.
Storm as well.
Both of the lines right here.
See the sheets of rain coming down over there?
Yep.
It just started.
That's it. Is this it right here?
Yeah, I would say so. Here it comes right here.
I mean.